Hi, I'm the person who writes the blog Sagittarius Dolly, and some of you may have seen my previous video on Fingerlings where I was unboxing the monkey Fingerling known as Boris the Monkey. Well, anyway, I didn't really expect to buy another Fingerling so soon until I went to Target one day and I found this unicorn named Gigi. And I love unicorns, so it was just too good to pass up. And what's really interesting about Gigi the Unicorn was that I remember reading online that this unicorn was supposed to be a Toys R Us exclusive, meaning that it was only sold in Toys R Us stores. But then I found it at Target, which was like a big surprise. And the big irony was that when I went to Toys R Us, on a previous trip, I didn't see any unicorns on sale. The only Fingerlings animals I saw on sale were monkeys, which was how I got Boris the Monkey. Anyway, so it was a pleasant surprise seeing Gigi the Unicorn being sold at Target, even though I previously read that she was only sold at Toys R Us. But I don't really blame Wild Weave, making this unicorn available in other stores, because I don't know if you've been hearing about this, but Toys R Us is having serious financial problems. And as I'm recording this video, Toys R Us is in the process of closing like up to 200 to 300 stores throughout the United States. So yeah, they got a lot of problems. It would take a whole different video to explain what's going on. But anyway, so I found Gigi the Unicorn at Target, and I bought her, and so now I'm gonna unbox her. And we're gonna open my, let's see, okay, now I'm gonna, let's open, alright, so now now that I learned from, okay, she's tied up in two places this time around. Okay, that's interesting. Is she up? Nope. Oh, okay, there's like a few places she's tied up in. Okay, oh yeah, I can, yeah, okay, I can feel this through the packaging, so I'm just gonna grab it. Right. Let's see, am I able to get her out? Nope. Okay. Man, they really do keep these things packed. Come on. Yeah, is she tied in? Oh, her tail is tied up. Okay, let's. Hooray! Gigi the Unicorn is officially free. Yay! Okay, now bet you the instructions are in the same place. Okay, here's the bottom of the box packaging. I'll bet you the instructions are in the same place as before. Yep. Sure enough, the box. Yep. Yep. Anyway, I've already had experience with Boris the Monkey, so I assume it's going to be similar with Gigi the Unicorn. Okay, well, I'm going to turn her on for the... Yeah, let me turn her on for the first time, and let's... Okay, here's her on-off switch. Oops. Here's her on-off switch. Oh, hi, Gigi. Okay, let's put her on my finger because she's a fingerling. Okay, let's pet her. Oh, she plays music. That's cool. Let me see, does she... Oh, wow, this is cool. In some ways, she's cooler than... You know, in some ways she's cooler than Boris the Monkey. I mean, she's playing music. Yeah, briefly. Whoa! That is so cool. Oh, man. Oh, this is, it's like she has a little music box inside of her. Let's see, does she? Yeah, unlike Boris, her tail's like made out from hair, so I don't. Because Boris, you know, has a solid tail, and Gigi has more of a, you know, hairy tail. Let me see. How should she be? Does she like being held upside down? Yeah. Oh man. She is so adorable. She is so adorable. This is amazing. Oh, she's sneezing. Oh, man. Let me see, what? Oh, wow, so if I cover, you know, so if I upside down. Oh, she is adorable. Oh, man. Hi, Gigi. Oh man, and look at, and she's got the rainbow mane. Oh my God, this is so cool. And she's got a rainbow tail. Oh man, I'm so glad I'm glad I got this one. This is cool. Oh, she is adorable. Oh man, she is adorable. This is amazing. Oh man, this is incredible. Does she like being hung? Oh yeah, she doesn't mind being hung upside down. Oh, oh man. Oh. I love the music, and I love the fact that she can play music. Because this is like adorable. She's a... When the King Swinger? Oh, this is amazing. Yeah, I better not swing her by the tail too much because I don't think it's not solid. I mean, with Boris's tail, it's more solid, and hers is like, you know, hair. Oh man, this is she is adorable. Okay, the one thing I learned about this unicorn is that her sensors are in front of her ears. So if you rub her like this, hold it. See how she's responding to... See, I'm petting her in front of her ears, because that's where the sensors are. If you press down on the sensors in front of her ears, this is what happens. Quiet. Come on. Hear that? It's like a very demure... feminine fart. Let's try this again. Yep, hear that? Yeah, the fairy dust sound makes it sound very demure, a very demure, polite little fart. Here's one more time. I mean, you can easily compare how she farts with how Boris the Monkey farts. Okay, and if you put her upside down, I found if you pet her sensors while she's upside it makes different sounds. Oh, she sounds so content, doesn't she? If you press down the sensors in front of her ear, hear that she burps. Very demure little burp. Let's try this again. Hear that she burps. You know, very demure little burp. Sounds like a baby burp. Let's try this again. Yep. I mean, you can compare how demure her burp is compared with Boris the Monkey's burp. Okay, so I now got Boris, the other Fingerling that I currently own. Let's see how those two react to each other. Let's see. Hey, look, Boris. Oh, man. It's like it's almost like they're synchronized. This is adorable. I don't know if it's a coincidence or if it's intentional. But oh man, this is... They seem to be moving their heads in synchronization. Oh man, this is amazing. Oh, this is adorable. Oh man, this is too much. Oh, this is too much. I mean, they're moving in synchronization. This is awesome. You know, and I don't know if it's a coincidence or if it's intentional, but this is amazing. Nonetheless. Okay, well anyway, that's it for my latest Fingerling video. This is Kim from Sagittarius Dolly signing off.